In Studio Ini, we seek to create what we call an embodied intelligence in our designs. We create a seamless connection between the built architecture and the human element. My name is Nassia Inglessis. I'm a Greek artist, designer and engineer, and I run Studio Ini. Studio Ini is based in London and Athens. In London, our home has been Somerset House, which has an amazing number of staircases, all different in nature. Even though static, they invite motion, and that is extremely inspiring to me and in my work. This year, I'm working with technology brand ASUS for an installation at Milan Design Week. The installation will be part of the exhibition called Design You Can Feel, which is an exhibition that combines craftsmanship, materiality, and artificial intelligence. These themes explain the design thinking behind ASUS, but are also core to the design thinking of our own practice. The brief was to draw upon a lot of the design elements that they've carefully crafted into the Zenbook laptop and manifest those in an architectural scale. Materiality was a key element of the brief and also a key point of inspiration for me in celebrating how ASUS innovated upon aluminum to create Ceraluminum. Ceraluminum is a material that combines the lightness of aluminum with the durability of ceramics. It invites tactility. This is the aluminum honeycomb. It comes in these strips, and essentially we just stretch it open. The aluminum honeycomb is a material that I'm completely fascinated with. A very lightweight material, but it's also very structurally strong. This is why it's used in NASA spacecrafts a lot, and also due to its heat dissipation. But to me, most of all because of its visual qualities, and create this pixelated morphing and interplay with light, which is absolutely unique. As you walk through the installation, it opens up and moves with your movement. Ceraluminum will be used in the edges of the installation, and there will be a point for visitors to have a very tactile interaction. As people walk through the installation and touch the ceraluminum, each touch will be recorded by the changes in its conductivity. So people will be able to see a spatial representation of their behavior. In the installations when they're first exhibited, I sort of sit almost a little bit hidden in the corner and observe people, and they're experiencing something unexpected, and the element of surprise is one of the biggest gifts for me.